Evergreen. Candid.
Lesson 1. Our environment. Environment refers to the external conditions or surroundings in which a person, plant, or animal exists. It is our basic life support system. It provides the land where we live, the air that we breathe, the food that we eat, and the water that we drink. It includes everything in our immediate surroundings, including all the living and non-living things around us. Environment consists of both the natural environment and the human-made environment. While some objects in the environment, such as plants and trees, mountains, plains, rivers and animals, are created by nature, there are others which are man-made, such as table and chairs, food, cars, buses, clothes, books, roads, etc. The natural environment. It includes all living and non-living things that occur naturally on Earth. The natural land or lithosphere, water or hydrosphere. Water found on Earth's surface. Lesson 2. Inside our Earth. The Earth is divided into 3 main layers. Crust. The changing face of the Earth. Alfred Wegener, Theory of Continental Drift. According to the famous geologist Alfred Wegener, about 200 to 225 million years, all the continents were joined together and formed one supercontinent called Pangaea. There was one huge ocean called Penthelas.